For this situation, sir, about the crime scene, for sure, for the cause of death ng 20 years old na babae, for the disorder or problem psycho of the criminal. Kasi may nabanggit po dyan, sir, suspended having lost character, which define lang po about for the girl na ayun, naglaban kasi nga ina-assault siya, ganun. Depende yung sarili niya. But in case na yung criminal na ay sobrang strong to force the girl, then yun na nga po, nabanggit po suspended having lost character, naglalaban yung babae to defend herself. Then, ang nangyari pa po dyan is dahil po namatay ang babae, he lying dead tie around her neck, which is naging dahilan ng bleeding for her mouth. Kasi nga po baka yung neck, if naipit po yan, kasi nga possible po na, di ba nga po, pag namatay po yung isang tao, all blood are going out or palabas po siya in any direction po, kung saan po naka-direct yung ulo ng babae, which is halimbawa po nakayuko po, possible po na maipon po siya for the mouth, then going out to the mouth. Then, doon na po mangyayari, siguro, possible po na mangyari, for the physical, or may nasabi po dyan na, na half-naked po condition in abandoned place. For sure po, dyan na po nangyari yung rape ng criminal, or ni-rape po yung 20 years old na babae. So, possible po na may maiwan po na Siemens doon sa private part ng 20 years old na babae. Then, sa tulong po ng investigation, all investigators can be collect the physical evidence, which is medico legal, which means the dead body of the person or yung 20 years old girl po or babae. So makakatulong po yun for any analysis or examination to confirm if yun nga po yung naging dahilan po ng bleeding ng mouth ng girl to tie her neck sa sobrang ipit po ng kanyang ulo. Then, yung direction po ng blood is palabas po sa mouth ng babae. Then, possibly na nangyari po for semen analysis, semen has obtained from the private part of the girl. Kaya po possible po na ang naging case na to, or possible na ikinamatay po ng babae, is to assault and rape. And also ito po ang dapat natin maiwasan gawin while collecting DNAs. First, avoid touching areas where DNA